Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Macy TV. Okay, so today we're cracking open a bottle that gets people so hyped. This one guys, it's the YSL's Wild Parfum. So, hirap kasi pronounce ng Yves Saint Laurent. Yung YSL na lang. So, is it actually worth the hype? So, let's stick around and I'm spilling everything in the next 3 minutes. Let's go. So, let's open the bottle together. Actually, this perfume is kay Raymond talaga to guys. So, I just asked this perfume from him. My partner, by the way, has a huge collection of perfumes, and ito yung one of his old collections, and I got this from him. So first of all, look at this bottle. It's in a very heavy glass, just oozing I have my life together kind of glass. Okay, let's spray it together. Konti lang kasi Whoa, okay, yeah, that's not a hello. That's a full-on entrance. It's very sharp, fruity, a little spicy. Zero hesitation on this one, guys. So, let's break down what's actually in this thing. Yung top notes niya, merong grapefruit, crisp apple, aldehydes, warm ginger. Aldehydes, para siyang citrus peel, cinnamon, and fresh flowers. Yung heart notes naman, sage, lavender, geranium. Base notes, tonka bean, cedarwood, olibanum, patchouli. Patchouli, meron siya din doon sa Chanel, right? Yung previous review ko. So, olibanum, however you pronounce that. Para siyang lemony scent. So, it opens up fresh, a little fruity, almost metallic clean. Para siyang, it's like fresh out of the shower vibe. So, meron din yung oil naman ng lavender. Siya yung nagbibigay ng aromatic and herby scent. But the real magic, guys, yung dry down niya. So, after like, pag-spray mo, it stays on. It's very, it gets cozy and addictive. That's the scent. This is what perfume nerds call a dark fougere. So, it's a French term. Fougere spells as F-O-U-G-E-R-E. So, i-google nyo na lang. Basically, para siyang woody, smoky, and undeniably masculine. That's why this perfume is made for men. But females, pwede makagamit nito. So here's why I think this earns a spot in your collection. It's a chameleon. So sharp enough for the office. Pwede siya, is very versatile. Office. Warm enough for date nights. Longevity, oh gosh, it stays, I'm talking about 8 hours plus. And it lingers on your clothes for days. Kahit naglalaban mo, nasa-smell mo pa din siya. It's a signature scent. People will literally start associating this smell with you. Grabe kahumot. And that bottle looks straight up luxury sitting on your shelf or in your Instagram story. Honestly, if your only one statement fragrance is this one's a top pick. Kahit itong isa, it's just perfect na. So, longevity all day, no reapply needed. So, makakatipid ka kasi konti lang spray mo kahit mahal siya. So, big projection, heads will turn when you walk in, char. Best for, well, it's sa Pinas, I don't think there's, pag mainit, okay na din. But if you are singuton like me, maybe, konti lang talaga. Maybe dial it back for a sweaty na summer afternoons, diba? So, my score for this one obviously is a 10-10. It's classic for me. So, pros, insane longevity, guys. Pang matagalan siya, addictive, dried down, gorgeous bottle. And the cons lang, kung it projects medyo strong siya na smell. So, if you are the type of person who, find it, yung gusto mo is yung subtle scents lang, parang baka medyo mo-overwhelm ka nito. But if you want a fragrance that does the talking for you, this is it. Smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment telling me what to review next. Catch you in the next one. God bless everyone. Bye!